Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today is a beautiful day. I got out of work early, guys. So we have my version of the Nano Flerkin. It's about 26 inches, guys. I have a Samgook 2600 kV motor, guys, with a 6.3 prop, guys, and I powered it with a 20 amp ESC, guys. Now, my previous one was like very messed up, guys, so I added a lot of extra weights. As you can see, I got two fishing weights right here. This is about 2.5 ounces exact. So it's two and a half, that's 4 plus a half. That is about 5 ounces of weight, guys, and I'm powering it with this 800 milliamp 3S battery, guys. As you can see, I have my marking right there, and let's give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try. Hopefully it works. My last one wanted to fly upside down, so this one I gave it a little bit less dihedral, guys. And let me wait till this ambulance goes by. It's over there. All right, guys, it went away a little bit, so I gave it a little less dihedral from the last one, from the last version, guys. And I try to shave the weight down a little bit in the build, but for the nose weight, guys, that's basically what I'm going with, guys. So let's give it a try, guys. I ordered a 850 milliamp battery 4S for this, but I have to figure out how am I gonna fit it in here, guys. But before anything, I literally just want to make sure that it's gonna fly good regardless. Got my son over there and my wife, guys, trying to keep him entertained while I'm trying to record this video for you guys. So I love the size of this. It reminds me of the regular version I did of the FT Goblin, guys. Now, I did install my little face right here, my little nose, guys, so I could install my FPV gear once I figure out this whole CG stuff. Yeah, let's start off with the low rates, guys. Let's see where the wind is coming from, so I can orientate myself in a really good position. All right, guys. The only reason I went with these props for now is because I'm powering it with a 20 amp, so it should not make that weird UFO sound again, guys, like it used to. So, all right, let's give it a try, guys. Definitely need more thrill, guys. My nose came off, guys. But I definitely need more thrill, guys. That's literally all that I need. That was pretty firm, guys. I just definitely need more thrill, guys. That's definitely a factor here. But she flies, guys. My version of the Nano Flerkin, guys, flies. Guys, that flies way better. I could probably stay with 65. Hey, Elijah. Look at Daddy's plane. So yeah, guys, 20 amp ESC, 2600 milliamp battery. 2600 kV motor, guys. An 800 milliamp battery 3S. So I'm definitely gonna be able to put my 4S on there, guys. Wow. No trim. Just a little bit, maybe a little bit up, guys. Wow. She flies so smooth, guys.
Daddy?
Yes.
This is an
Airplane, yes. Now let's flip to high rates. Let's see these roll rates. All right, guys. I'm not gonna try it too much, but As you can see, she's flying magnificently, guys. All she needs is a good paint job so we don't lose orientation, guys. And this plane is beautiful, guys. Guys, this is amazing, guys. Imagine when I put this 4S on there, guys. She's going to be ballistic. Now, it seems like she's just a little bit on the, let me see, tail heavy, no, nose heavy sides. Maybe not, I don't know, guys. What you guys think? That's no input, guys, that's straight. But once I give her that little bit of gas, guys, a little bit of throttle, she just basically wants to go down. So, should I give her some up trim? Well, some down trim. If I do that, then she's gonna be flowing like that. A vertical is very nice with this plane, guys. Although it's a 20 amp, it's still very forgiving, guys. Let's try to get some low passes. Hey, you like it, Pop? Airplane, yeah. I love this little thing, guys. Now I'm gonna have to make another regular version of the Goblin, guys, and I'm gonna have to compare these two, guys. Now, of course, the other one will be a little faster because this is powered by a 20 amp, but if I do the same setup, guys, I mean, it will be all fair, guys, right? Let's try one more low pass, guys, before I bring her down. That's a little battery, guys. I don't want to risk it, lose power up in the sky. She's so smooth, guys. Wow, guys. All right, I'm gonna bring her down, guys. And then I have the big Papa, the regular version, guys, which I'm gonna add it into this video, guys. We're just gonna make this a whole video about the Flerkens, guys. And let's compare the two, guys. She looks a little tail heavy. So I'm gonna have to bring her down a little hot. That's totally fine with me, guys. So we're gonna bring her into the wind, turn it around, just like so. Just let her glide down, guys. Guys, my finger slipped, guys, and the throttle stayed on, but it's okay. It's still good. It's still good, guys. It's still good. But yeah, guys, so now we are going to bring the regular version of the Flerken, guys, the big old Papa, and we are gonna compare these two bad boys, guys. Wow. Now all this needs is a paint job. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. All right, let's bring the big one out. All right, guys. So we have the really big version now, the regular version of the Flerken, guys. I almost fell right there. So we're gonna compare that to the small version one that I made, guys. I have this all rigged up pretty weird, guys, like really weird, guys. I have some clay right there for weight. Then I have this 2200, guys. Don't laugh at me, guys. Then I have the 1500 4S in the bottom, guys. It's just a whole bunch of jibber jabber, guys. A bunch of jibber jabber. Ready? All right. I need some right trim, guys. A lot of it. There you go. So now let's compare this to the other one. Elijah, come up here, Pops. Let's compare this to this little one. Go in between this gap. Wow. Guys, now that's a lot of power. Now this is powered by 35 amp, guys. C-Pack from Flight Test. Right now I'm currently running the 1500 milliamp battery 4S that's in there. But she actually feels a little bit more tuned in. I feel like because it had to be a big factor because that was the maiden flight, guys, of that little, my version of the Nano Flerkin. So I have one more 4S in my pocket, guys, so I'm just kind of just going crazy with this one, checking out the speeds. I need a little bit more thrill. Now that's 100%, guys, and you see how barely moves. Now I have 30% expo on there. Smooth, guys. Huh. Gotta watch that tree, guys. Now I might be crazy, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if I'm adding too much weight, but she's actually really good for me, guys, as you can tell. There's no wind at all today, guys. At least barely. When I checked the forecast, it was about 7 miles per hour. Wow, guys. Feel like I can move better on high rates, guys, and they're all the way up at 100. So what you guys think? Would you rather fly the big version to this right here, or limited and vertical, basically, guys? Have I tried inverted with this? I don't know. Well, let's try. There you go. It's a little sketchy for me right now. Till I get orientated right with this plane, guys. This plane is amazing. Okay, let's bring her down. The battery's gonna getting low. It's kind of getting low already. I already feel it, guys. Hold the baby. I'm about to bring it down. I gotta bring it down, Pops. Nice landing, guys. That was a smooth landing, guys. little sketchy, guys. It's kind of dangerous to turn around that fast. Guys, this plane is so smooth. Now with this, not tight gaps, but I could definitely do gaps with this, guys. I'm that confident in this plane. It feels like my pop wing, guys. But that's it for today's video, guys. I ain't going to call it a day for this one. I just wanted to mating my version of the Nano, guys, and basically just check everything out before I paint her, guys, and compare these two and see which one is better for me. And I wanted you guys to see, so that way you guys could maybe figure out before you guys build it what's better for you. Yes, pops. Let's hurry up because my son is coming, guys. Smooth landing, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you like this content, please consider hitting the subscribe button, guys, and the thumbs bell so you guys can get notified and always get a notification where I drop a new video, guys. And I got a surprise for you guys. I ordered the new surprise, but I'm gonna wait till it comes here, guys, so I can show you guys. All right, guys, stay creative. See you in the next one.